Na-outplayed nila kami, no? They come up really aggressive this game, and then that's it, yung adjustment nila talaga nag-work sa kanila, and it's time for us na kami na mag-adjust next week.
Questions. Yung cause of concern ba na 10 points lang si Justin yun? Is it something na mapag-usapan niyo sa loob, getting more touches, or this game?
I think on us as a team, no, we lose as a team, we win as a team, and we played bad lahat kami, no. That's just JB, I think all of us. And then lahat din sila sa TNT talagang maganda yung ginawa nila. So we just have to keep stay positive next game. That game, no, whatever the pass is, especially this game tonight, kailangan namin put away yun, and we just have to move forward kami sa next game, stay positive. Yun lang.